Good afternoon, Chair, and hello, all my beloved classmates. Today we come here to do last year how to make a sandwich. Uh, Before start, we wash your hand with water and soap. Wash hand clean. Make your food safe. Uh, Second step is put one bread on the plate, and third step, apply some butter on your bread, and put salad on the bread too. Third is put meatball. Five, put mayonnaise sauce and tomato sauce. The last is put the bread on the top. Put another bread on the top of bread. And put bread on the machine. Butter? Keep it close. Goodbye, teacher.